The future is indeed bright.
Africa's motorcycle market is revving up, fueled by rising demand for affordable mobility and a booming culture of adventure riding. In Kenya, over 55,000 motorcycles were imported in 2024, signaling a shift from everyday commuting to lifestyle and leisure. Industry players say that the country's vibrant motorcycling scene and growing appetite for touring are positioning Kenya as a regional hub for two-wheeled adventure across Africa.
I believe the motorcycling culture is picking up in this country. There are people who like touring, they like traveling long distances on motorcycles. But what we saw as a gap was the retail environment is totally missing from a motorcycling standpoint, right? And we said probably this is an opportunity for Royal Enfield to establish the retail motorcycling industry in Kenya, to be the first player to set up a showroom like this, to invite motorcycle enthusiasts to understand what their requirements are from a motorcycling standpoint.
Next choice was to explore the East African market, and with the culture of motorcycle increasing in Kenya, it seems like the perfect time to enter the market at this point.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of Business Prime. My name is Calvin Yakundi. Have a wonderful night.